In this video I'm gonna show you how you can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on a CMF Phone 2 Pro. In order to go to the Fastboot mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna press volume up and power button at the same time to open the power menu, and then we're gonna choose power off. Wait for the phone to completely turn off, and then we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button. So just press and hold both buttons and wait for the bootloader to show up. There we go. Now we can release both buttons. Over here, as you can see, we have the bootloader, and we can use volume up in order to choose a different option. So in this case, of course, we want to select Fastboot, and we need to confirm by pressing volume down. And after that, you should be able to see this text, Fastboot mode. Now, in my case, unfortunately, nothing happens when I select Fastboot mode. I'm not sure why, but if you want to exit now this menu, then in my case, I have to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until the screen turns off. So I'm just gonna press and hold the power button and just hold for like a couple of seconds. There we go. Now I can release the power button and the phone will turn back on. I'm not sure, once again, I'm not sure why nothing happens when I select Fastboot mode, but this is how we can at least select it, so maybe it will be like somewhat fixed in the future. And if you want to exit, if you are stuck in the Fastboot mode, if the text is stuck over there and nothing happens, then you need to just press and hold the power button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!